Hey, I'm really excited to start here at Abu Dhabi University, but I'm also a bit nervous. Do you have any advice for me?
Absolutely. First off, welcome to ADU. One of the best things you can do is to meet with your academic advisor early on. They're here to help you navigate your courses and make the most out of your time here.
That's a great tip. What else should I keep in mind?
Make sure to ask questions whenever you're unsure about something. The faculty and staff are here to support you. Also, take the time to explore all our campus facilities in Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, and Dubai. It's a great way to get familiar with your new environment.
Sounds like a plan. Anything else?
Yes! Check out the various services offered by our different departments. It's a great way to find out how you can make the most of your time at ADU. And don't forget to join campus events and activities. They're not only fun but also a great way to build connections and enrich your university experience.
Thanks for the advice. I'm feeling more confident now.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time at ADU. It's going to be an amazing journey.
Abu Dhabi University. 20 years of shaping the future.